Today you're going to set up the lab record book that you'll use throughout the year to record lab activities and other kinds of group work. The first thing you're going to want to do is find the book that's already at the table that correlates with the class period that you're in. So it should say your class period, and then it should already say the table that you're at. You may not always work at that same table, but that book is going to stay at that table. And whatever table you work at throughout the year, you'll be using the book that correlates to the table and the class period. You're going to open the book and skip the first page. If you don't have a pen, there's a green pen in the box. You're going to go to the second page, and you're going to label that page Table of Contents. So labeled that page Table of Contents. And then we're going to write the following column headings: date, title, and page. So you're going to have a place for the date in the column to the left of the red line. You'll be placing the title of your activities in the middle there, and then you'll identify what page your work is going to be on there on the right. Once you do that, skip 2 pages. And once you do that, then begin numbering the pages in the bottom outside corner, beginning with number 1. You're going to continue numbering until you get to page 40. If you can stop the video while you do that. Once you get to page 40, then close your book. And open the back cover. And then you're going to skip a page. I'm going to skip 2. Okay, so skip a page in the back. This is a book that I've used before, and I think that piece needs to just come out of there. Okay. So skip a page, and then you're going to have a periodic table that you received from your instructor, and you're going to fold that periodic table in half. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that periodic table and we're going to be gluing it in so that it opens as a foldable. So we're going to apply glue to the back of the left half of the paper. So we have our paper folded. Find a glue stick from the supply box at your table. And only gonna apply glue to half of the paper. And then you're gonna glue that piece of paper in on the left-hand side of that page so that your periodic table opens like a foldable. Then you're going to find page 1 in your book. And we're going to write the date. You can put the date on the outside corner if you like, or if you want to put it on the inside corner, it really doesn't matter. You're going to title this activity Lab Book Procedures, because we're just learning about how we're going to use this lab book throughout the year. Okay? And then it's important that everyone puts their names inside for that date. So you're going to put your name in first and last. That shows that you were present that day and that you participated in that activity. Make sure everybody in the group puts their name in. Then you'll complete the activity of the day on that page. Today what you're going to do is you're going to inventory the supplies in the box according to the inventory on the box. So look in the box and make sure that all of the items are there. These are supplies that we have to use in our classes. Okay. Report in writing if any of the items are missing. If everything is complete, you could write all supplies are present, or you could write inventory is complete. Doesn't matter. You don't need to write both of those. If there is something missing or damaged, then include in your inventory report what's missing or broken. If there is anything missing, make sure you notify the instructor right away. Once you complete your inventory today, Then return all the supplies to the box, notify the instructor if something is missing. And you are ready to begin your next assignment.